Hey, how you doing? Austin here. So wanted to talk with you real quickly about a major piece of breaking information. In fact, myself and Zach Humphreys did a live stream on this breaking news earlier today here on the ClearCryptos channel. But I wanted to kind of talk to you, in addition, make a video for you guys to talk about as well. This is something that's huge for crypto. So now Coinbase is partnering with BlackRock to offer crypto to institutional clients. And so I'm going to net this out for you. What this really is that now basically with this partnership is that BlackRock's clients are going to be able to buy crypto through this partnership. And I also believe at some point the other way will work as well. Coinbase clients will be able to get access to most likely BlackRock's financial products at some point as well. Okay, so the only thing that's really interesting to me about, well, there's more than this, but the one thing that's interesting, that's surprising to me, is the timing of this. I expected the timing of this to come later, kind of a Q3, Q4 scenario, because let's just talk about the elephant in the room. Regulation is still not in place. Regulation as far as how the United States and or parts of the world are going to regulate and manage crypto. Is it going to be a security? Is it going to be a commodity? We have turf wars going on between the SEC, the CFTC. A lot of these things are still up in the air. Now, if you dissect what this partnership is, it literally is just a partnership to open up each respective customer base. BlackRock's customers get access to be able to buy crypto. And again, I believe that at some point, Coinbase's customers being able to buy BlackRock financial products, then it makes sense in that capacity, because that's what this deal is right here, right now. Okay, it's not like BlackRock is going to be selling crypto products. No, they're going to give access to them via this partnership. Okay, so but I think what you'll start to see now is potentially look at the competitive landscape. Look at the other financial institutions out there, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, the other big guys out there. I guarantee you they're looking at this partnership and they're going, okay, we see this. BlackRock is absolutely an innovator, a first mover in this capacity. One of the largest financial institutions out there with 10 trillion, well, that's with a T, $10 trillion that they manage. You could start to see that with what they're gonna that other big institutions will probably look at this and go, if we're not already, we need to be talking to a large exchange out there. And I think the other side it goes as well. Look at the Coinbase side. Look at, like if you were a competitor of Coinbase, Crypto.com, some of the other major exchanges, you probably ought to be looking at a partnership with a large traditional financial institution like Fidelity, Schwab, etc., right? To maybe be doing something similar. So what you're going to start to see, in my opinion, is how this competitive landscape is going to be impacted by this partnership. If you haven't already done so, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe for the ClearCryptos channel. ClearCryptos is a absolutely amazing crypto project that is going to look to educate and clean up and make crypto better for billions of people globally. One of its goals is to onboard and on-ramp a lot of people that have been traditionally not be able to get access to these types of products. A lot of cool stuff. There's links in the description below. Check them out. Get involved in their Discord. That's definitely something you ought to do as well. So with that said, I'll see you. Take care. Bye.